Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have a Huggingface account and a clear purpose for the API token. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and open Access Tokens. You create a new token, select only the scopes you need for security, and give it a descriptive name so you remember its use later. Make sure to copy the token now. You will not be able to view it again. Store it in a secure credential manager or environment variable for direct use. Next, you install the necessary client. Pip install transformers or Huggingface hub depending on your needs. Once installed, set your HF token as an environment variable like HF token or run Huggingface CLI login and paste the token to save it locally. Then, write a small test script or curl command to call a model endpoint. This verifies authentication and network access. If the test returns a model response, you are connected and can proceed to integrate the API into your app or workflow. Finally, you implement API calls in your application, sending the authorization header with bearer and your token, and respect documented rate limits. Once done, handle common errors. If you see 401 or 403, verify token scope and expiration. If 429 appears, implement exponential backoff and queuing. Make sure to rotate tokens periodically and restrict scopes for security. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check token validity and scopes first, then inspect request headers and rate limit headers for next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.